down Disney Genie, Disney Genie Plus, and individual attraction selections that will be launching at Walt Disney World on October 19th, 2021. The things that I'm talking about in this video will pertain to Walt Disney World only. Disney is rolling out this service for Disneyland at a later date this fall. We don't know when that's going to be. But with this service launching in just a few days, I wanted to go over everything that we know so far. All of the information that I'm going to provide to you today is subject to change. I'm just going to say that before I get lots of comments down below and you're watching this like a month from now and the information is no longer current. Disney keeps saying subject to change, subject to change. This new program that Disney's rolling out on September 19th really has 3 components and it can be pretty confusing. So I'm going to walk you through each piece. There's Disney Genie, Disney Genie Plus, which gives you the lightning lane access, and individual attraction selections, which also gives you lightning lane access for select attractions. First, let's talk about Disney Genie. Disney Genie is a complimentary experience guide offered to all guests with a valid park ticket. Disney Genie can be accessed inside of My Disney Experience. As you can see, there's a couple different ways that you can access it, which I think is a little confusing. Hopefully they clean this up a little bit. Disney Genie creates personalized experiences for you with a tip board showing you current estimated attraction wait times, forecasts of future wait times, and the best time to visit an attraction later in the day. I think this is the coolest part. You can also ask questions via virtual assistant, mobile order, and access virtual queues. You will start by simply telling Disney Genie your preferences for attractions, entertainment, interests, and dining, and it will make recommendations for you on how to spend your day. You can do this in advance once you have theme park tickets and park pass reservations, or on the day that you plan to enter the park. You will see your personalized recommendations on the My Day tab along with other plans you've already made, like dining reservations. As you can see, it will provide you with suggested times to enter attractions and experiences. And it will update in real time all day long. The tip board is where you're going to find additional information on experiences and dining. Experiences will show estimated current wait times and forecasts of future estimated wait times. Dining will share available quick service and table service restaurants throughout the park. This is all part of the complimentary Disney Genie service. Next, let's talk about Disney Genie Plus, which I know is what you all want to hear about. Disney Genie Plus provides you the opportunity for expedited attraction access through the lightning lane at select attractions. This will be an additional purchase that can be added onto your vacation package or standalone ticket in advance for $15 per person per day. You can also add it for individual days of your trip, beginning at midnight on the day that you will be visiting that park. Single day Genie Plus access must be purchased the day of in the app. Genie Plus offers you the next available time to arrive at a variety of attractions using the lightning lane entrance, one at a time throughout the day. This will help you navigate through longer wait times. You may use lightning lane for one attraction at a time, no more than once per attraction per day. So if you want to ride a ride again and you've already used lightning lane, you'll have to stand in the standby line. All guests who have purchased Genie Plus may begin to make their return time selections at 7 a.m. Eastern on the day they plan to visit that park. Once you scan in and use your lightning lane selection, you may then select another lightning lane attraction. Here's where it gets a little fuzzy. So far, what Disney has said is, if there is a significant wait time before the next lightning lane arrival window, the app will advise the guest on when they can make their next choice. I'm hearing rumors that it's 120 minutes or 2 hours before you can make your next selection, but I'm not 100% on that because I haven't received firm information from Disney yet. Genie Plus will also offer PhotoPass augmented reality lenses and audio tales, which will give you insider tips, information, and fun facts inside the park. Next, let's talk about individual attraction selections. So these are in-app purchases that you make the day that you will be visiting a park for select attractions. These individual attraction selections will be limited to 2 per person per day, and you can use them at different parks. So if you have a park hopper and you're going to be at Magic Kingdom in the morning and Epcot in the afternoon and you want to use your individual attraction selections at 2 different parks, you can do so. Pricing on these individual attraction selections will vary by date, attraction, and park. Disney has told us that these individual attraction selections, which is a mouthful, will range in price from $7 to $15 per person per attraction. The pricing for these individual attraction selections will be displayed before you purchase them in the app. So your next question is, which attractions are these offered on? At Magic Kingdom, Seven Dwarfs Mine Train and Space Mountain. Hollywood Studios, Rise of the Resistance, and Mickey and Minnie's Runaway Railway. At Animal Kingdom, Flight of Passage and Expedition Everest. And at Epcot, Frozen Ever After and Remy's Ratatouille Adventure. Now, as I'm filming this, we know that Remy's Ratatouille Adventure is virtual queue. So you do have the option to see if you can get a virtual queue return time, or if you don't want a virtual queue return time, you can always buy the individual attraction selection. You can also do both. So if you get a virtual queue for Remy's, you could ride it again using the individual attraction selection. Got it? The important thing to remember is that the rides that are individual attraction selections are not included with the Genie Plus service. These are additional add-on attractions. Now, you can purchase these individual attraction selections on their own, or you could purchase them in conjunction with Genie Plus. So you can purchase one or the other, or you can purchase them both. So individual attraction selections can be made beginning at 7 a.m. the day you are entering a park. If you are staying at a Walt Disney World Resort, a Shades of Green Resort, Walt Disney World Swan, or Walt Disney World Dolphin. If you are not staying at a Walt Disney World Resort, Shades of Green, the Swan, or the Dolphin, you would not be able to make your individual attraction selection until the time the park opens. So if you're visiting a park and that day the park opens at 9 a.m., you wouldn't be able to make that selection until 9 a.m. You do not need to be in the park to make that selection, but you're not able to make that selection until the time the park opens. Okay, is that clear? I know it's a lot. I've taken a lot of time trying to digest all of this. So let me go over it step by step for you again. Disney Genie is a complimentary service offered in My Disney Experience. It includes personalized day optimizer, real-time trip board, and forecasted wait times. You'll be able to access a virtual assistant who will answer any of your questions. You'll be able to mobile order. You'll also be able to access restaurant wait lists, check-in, and make and view your reservations. Disney Genie Plus. Disney Genie Plus is $15 per person per day. It can be added to your package or a standalone ticket in advance for the entire length of your stay. Or it can be added per day beginning at midnight the day you plan to visit a park as a single day purchase. So this means that if you wanted to only purchase it for 2 of your 4 park days, you could do so. You just can't purchase it in advance. You'd have to purchase it beginning at midnight the day that you plan to visit that park. Genie Plus allows you to select the next available time to arrive at a variety of attractions using the Lightning Lane entrance, one at a time throughout the day, beginning at 7 a.m. Eastern the day you're visiting a park. You may use Lightning Lane for 1 attraction at a time, no more than once per attraction per day. If you want to ride a ride again, you have to use the standby line. You can modify, cancel, and rebook arrival times throughout the day. Genie Plus will not sell out and be available to any and all guests who would like to purchase this feature. Note, arrival time selections are subject to limited availability. So this means you could purchase Genie Plus. It could be possible that there would be no more Lightning Lane selections left for your day. Individual attraction selections. Pricing will vary by date, attraction, and park, ranging from $7 to $15 per attraction per person. Pricing will be displayed before purchasing your individual attraction selection. Note, these are not included with Disney Genie Plus service. These are separate selections that you can purchase. You can make 2 selections per person per day. You can also make them at more than 1 park if you plan to park hop. Guests staying at Disney resorts, Shades of Green Resort, or the Walt Disney Swan and Dolphin can purchase individual attraction selections on the day of their visit starting at 7 a.m. Eastern. All other Walt Disney World guests can purchase individual attraction selections on the day of your visit, starting at each park opening time, even if you aren't in the park. And this is super important. Once your individual attraction selection is made, no changes, modifications, or refunds are available. Okay, so let's go over this one more time. You may purchase just Genie Plus. You may purchase just individual attraction selections. You may purchase Genie Plus and individual attraction selections. You do not need to purchase Genie Plus or individual attraction selections. The standby line or virtual queue will still be available at all of the rides and attractions. You can add Genie Plus in advance for every park day or just certain park days on the day you plan to visit each park. You will purchase it in the app beginning at midnight on the day you wish to visit each park. Guests staying at Disney resorts, Shades of Green, and the Walt Disney World Swan and Dolphin can purchase individual attraction selections on the day of their visit starting at 7 a.m. All other Walt Disney World guests can purchase their individual attraction selections on the day of your visit starting at each park's opening time, even if you aren't in the park. Okay, I know that's a lot. I have spent literally hours dissecting all of this, just unwrapping all of the pieces, trying to clarify it and make it as easy as possible to understand so that I can talk to people about it and so that you can understand what it is. Please let me know in the comments below any questions that you may have. I will actually be in the parks very soon to test this out, so I will have more videos coming of me actually using it in action because I do have a feeling some things are going to change. I feel like some things are kind of unclear, and as we go along, I think that it's going to be modified and change. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. I'd love for you to subscribe if you have not already. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you next time. Bye!